welcome to Crafty Club. Today I will be showing you a variety of 3 gifts, and hopefully one of them will fit the people that you're hoping to give a gift to. The first one's kind of a fun one for anyone who loves Christmas decorations. The second one's for any music lover, and the third one is really for anyone because you can make the sign however you would like. Please be sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. On to the video. So for this first craft, you are going to need a Christmas tree cookie cutter. You are going to need an assortment of different colored beads. Make sure that they're plastic. I have 2 yellow beads. You only need 1. For the star on the top of the tree, I have my brown beads, and then I also have my big bag of green beads. Alright, so you're going to you should actually put it on tinfoil. I accidentally put it on parchment paper, but tinfoil is the way to go. So you're just going to put in your 1 bead for the star, and then you're just going to put in your 2 stump or however many beads you want for the stump in brown, and then you're just going to fill the rest up with your green beads. I didn't show this in the video, but then what you're going to do is take out certain beads, and then you're just going to replace them with multicolor beads, like the colorful ones. That way you have a variety of colors, and those look like the ornaments. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, set your timer for 15 minutes, and put it in and take it out once the timer goes off. Once your Suncatcher is all cooked up, it should look something like this. Alright, and so what you're going to do is take a piece of string, wire, whatever you have on hand, and take your hot glue gun and just glue a strip of glue down the back, and then you're just going to put your a little section of your string onto it, and then you're going to put more glue on top of it. That way you're sure it is extra secure. This is a really cute and easy gift to make someone, and it looks really nice when the sun catches it. One warning is it really does smell like toxic when you are cooking it, so be sure that you have some windows open. If it's in your kitchen and you have a vent, be sure to turn that on and make sure that you don't stay in the room while it's cooking. Alright, this next gift is Spotify glass art. That's just what I'm going to call it. And so you're just going to take a screenshot of whoever you're giving this gift to, their favorite song, and then you're just going to cut it and then put it in the place where you would like the bottom to be, the part where there's the title and the album. The title and then the artist. And then you're just going to copy over it, and I have a white paint marker that I'm using, and I have a really fine one, and so you're just going to copy over everything below the album art. Now this part is optional, but I'm just taking a purple piece of construction paper and cutting it to fit the frame, because the actual piece that goes on the back of it, it's brown and it's not black or white or anything like that. So I'm just cutting a purple piece of construction paper to fit it, and then I'm going to take the picture or the screenshot of the album cover, and then I'm just going to glue it on and center it right over all of the stuff that I already drew. I think this turned out really well. It's a perfect gift for anyone who loves music, so I hope that you guys will maybe consider it or try it out. On to the last craft. Alright, so this next craft is a wooden sign, and so I had my dad help me make the sign, but if you don't want to do that, then you can just buy a sign. So I have these adorable letter stencils, and I'm just positioning them and making sure that they're all going to fit and trying to center it. Then you're going to tape down your letter, and then you're going to go over it and paint. And then you're just going to wash off your stencil and let the paint dry. And because my letters, I have to overlap the stencils, I'm making sure that I let each letter dry before I go on and move on to the next stencil. That's important, otherwise it's going to smudge. So, now, if you would like to see how this craft turned out, be sure to stay tuned for a video on Tuesday where I will be wrapping all my gifts. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope that these maybe will give you an idea of the perfect gift for the perfect person. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you for our last holiday video on Tuesday.